Hey guys, Stojan here. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can create your squeeze page. So here we are at Easy Commissions Mastermind group, and you can see here we already finished step 1, 2 and 3. Also the fourth step I posted here for you guys. Post you can check out how to set up your domain and hosting. So now we are going to go to the fifth step of my formula, which is how to create a squeeze page and how to connect it with your autoresponder software. So in step 1 I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, here we are at our GetResponse autoresponder website. As you can see here, this is their main page, getresponse.com. I will leave the links below the video so you can check them out. So they have a neat option that you can use their software for free trial for 30 days. So we are going to use that, and we will need this for the next step of our formula. So I'm going to register here and show you guys how you can register for a free account. So you just need to enter your email and password. Just let me check one more time if I enter it correctly. And you're going to create an account. And the next step, they are going to ask you to click on the activation link in the email you just used for registration. So let's go to the email and let's click here on the activation link. You just need to activate your account by clicking here, and you're basically going to be taken to the screen when you need to register an account. Here you can enter any type of information you like, for example John Snow, and Serbia is a country. I can type some address here, doesn't matter, and postal and here, and I will enter. You need a working phone for this. I'm going to use one disposable phone I have for installations. So here, and you can ask for account, and that's basically it. All you need. Okay, so they say they need to call cell phone number to send me a verification. Let me just pause so I can take care of this step, and we can continue from there. Okay guys, so here I have the code they ask for, and you can see here the account is ready to go now, and you have 30 days free trial. So you can either take a tour, or you can explore it on your own. I will skip the tour part and give you the tour myself. So basically, now when we got our free trial of GetResponse, let me first explain to you guys what an autoresponder is. Autoresponder is a piece of software that will automatically for you send emails to anyone that subscribes to your email list, and it's one of the basic tools every internet marketer is using, because you can reach a lot of people with just a single email address by sending a lot of emails with just a single click. So why are email lists so important? Is because it's the most stable way of you to communicate, the most stable way of getting traffic. For example, if you rely on Google and SEO, it's only enough that Google change some algorithm, or Facebook as well can change their algorithm as well, and all the traffic from Google and Facebook can just stop for you in instance because they change something on their platform. So because of that, email lists are the greatest asset of every marketeer, because you control those lists, you can control the traffic. There are no changes in algorithms or anything like that. So that's why it's really important to start building your email list from the start to your online venture. So like I said, you guys, when you register on GetResponse, you get a 30 days free trial. So I will show you guys the pricing options, what happens when those 30 days run out. You have either an option to buy it for, you don't need these bigger price ranges packages. This smallest one is the okay for starting. You have you can collect 1000 leads or subscribers in this package, so it's enough for starting your business, online business, and you will need 15 bucks per month to be able to get this one. So if you don't have a possibility to invest, my advice is to just create another free trial account and to work on getting more and more commissions until you will be able to invest in this package. So if you don't have money, just create another trial after your first one is finished, and another one after that. You will only need for that phone numbers, so you can get access to another free trial, so you can test it out for another 30 days. So when we covered that, let's go back and let's create a landing page, or our first squeeze page. It's a neat option here because you have it integrated into GetResponse, and this is actually the reason I choose to recommend GetResponse for you guys. There's also one more reason, but I will talk about that later. So here is templates that GetResponse is offering us to build the landing pages. So you can scroll down and choose the template you like. For example, I like to choose something that has a clean design and that is looking very simple. Okay, here's one. Let's choose this one and I will show you what you can do with the page. So just for a few seconds for everything to get prepared for us, and we can start. So here is the template when you first start, and you can basically edit anything on this page. So I will start by deleting this image here, and I will start by deleting anything I won't need on this page, like these testimonials here. Also this logo is not ours, so I delete it. So this is the basic template I have now. So one tip for you guys: when you're building squeeze pages, try to personalize it as much as you can. A good way to personalize it is to add, you can see here I can add an image by just drag and drop this image box to my squeeze page editor. So I will create this image. Let me just align it with this line here, and I will select image. So the best way to personalize it to select image of yourself, for example. That way you will be able to connect better with your audience and with your visitors and build more trust. And trust me when I say, guys, building trust with your visitors and your audience is one of the most important steps you can take to have success in online, in being an online internet marketer. So you can see here you have options to either upload an image from URL or from your computer. I will use one of the images I already have uploaded from before. So you can see here you can change image size, for example, and you can change the position of the image. So play around with these options until you find until you like it, and then simply just leave it like that. Okay, so next step, we can change the text here. So we can say something like receive my free guide to learn how to earn $100 100 per day without selling anything, for example. Okay, so you can leave it like that, for example. Here you can enter name and email. And let me just say, guys, this is just an example. I'm just showing you how you can build these pages. You can test your own versions of text here, your own images, your own buttons. You can even select some other template you like more, and the better you guys can share it in the group we created on Facebook, so we can give tips how you can improve your squeeze pages. So here you can enter, for example, download my guide, for example. So let me change this as well. We can say something like 2018. Here we can say something like all rights reserved, and for example you can enter your name here, for example. So you just put your name there, and that way we added a little trademark on this page. And this is, I'm pretty satisfied how it looks for now, so we are going to save it, and let's go to the next step. Okay, so here I got a message I need to also edit my thank you page and my mobile version, so I am going to return to editor. This is the mobile version of the page. This is how it will look on mobile phone, so I'm pretty satisfied with this as well. I will save it, and just let's check out at the end. This is the thank you page. So for thank you page, let's just delete all of this. Oops, nope, I want to delete this. Okay, and let's just create thank you for subscribing. Check your email for your guide, for your free guide, for example. Check your email for your free guide. Okay, so that will be our thank you message for now. We'll save it, and let's go to the next step. Okay. Okay, so this is the mobile version of my mobile version of my thank you page. Okay, let me just see if I can. Okay, let's just make it little. Okay, this is good enough for now, and we will say thank you. And next step. So in this step you need to give your page a name. So for example, let's say earn 100 per day. You don't have to touch here anything. This is for SEO, we don't need that for now. And here we need to select the domain name for our page. So the neat thing is GetResponse can give us hosting for our landing page, so we can use their hosting, for example, for this page, and we will enter something like earn 100 per day. And here you can select domain where you want to be hosted. So let's try this one, subscribing now. And here you can choose which list the subscriber is going to be sent to, and we only have one list, default list we created when we created the GetResponse free trial account, so we will use that default list. Confirmed opt-in, we will set this to off. What this means is actually how many steps the visitors needs to pass to get on our email list. If this option is on, for example, your visitors will first need to subscribe on your squeeze page, and then they to get on your email list, they will also need, as a second step, to go to the email address and to confirm they want to get on your list. So basically most people, what they do, they turn this off, so in that way only one step is needed for people to get on your list, by only clicking on your squeeze page, by only entering their email address on your squeeze page. So I recommend you to leave this as off. And here you can select this option which will automatically set your subscribers to receive emails if you have a follow-up sequence of emails, which means if you wrote a few different emails and you created a follow-up sequence that you want to automate and to send your subscribers, you can use this option. But if you don't understand this, don't worry about it for now, you don't need it now. We will deal with that later in a different video. So we can use the default thank you page we created earlier and just publish this page, and here is the link where you can check your page. So this is how it will look. You can see here the title, 100 per day. This is what the visitors will see, and this is actually the page we will be sending traffic to. So I will show you guys multiple ways to get traffic, and this is the page they will see. Of course you need to edit it for yourself, to customize it with your image, with your text, and etc. So let's try if this page works or not. So for example, here let's say something like Jon Snow, and for email let's say Jon Snow something. We need to type it so we don't. Okay, for example, this is this person's email address, and let's see, download my guide. This is the image, the thank you page, the thank you message they will see. Okay, so let's go back now to get response, main screen, and let's check if this person ended up on our email list or not. So you can see here's my email list, and you will see here Jon Snow is subscribed to our list. So that's it for now, guys, and for this step. So you now know how to create your squeeze pages. So let me just show you guys one more time. When you want to create a squeeze page, you can select one of the templates. There are many templates here. When you select template, you just need to edit that template so it looks like something that is personalized, and something, for example, this one also is not bad. Let me show you how it looks. Look for the simple looking one and the clean designs. Then you just need to edit the graphics and select the options like I showed you in the last example a few minutes ago, and you will be set for receiving your first traffic on those pages. In the next step, I'm going to show you guys how to construct your thank you page and your instructions for your visitors so they know what to do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.